Hytech Didactic Electrohydraulic Training Kit is mounted on a rigid mild steel structure. The training kit is equipped with PLC, HMI as well as relay-based operation modules. Control modules are made of industrial PCBs, making the kit easy to operate as well as maintain. Electrohydraulic Training Kit comes with a dual-faced work surface made up of aluminium extrusions. Quick fix mechanisms for all valves makes it easier for users to engage and disengage the valves from training kit. Quick fix mechanism makes it easy for users to store valves in drawers provided along with training kit. Solenoid valves as well as cylinders are provided with PCBs for electrical connections. Industrial valve plates for CETOP 3 mounting are tested at a pressure of 110 bar. Each valve plate is marked with P, T, A and B ports and is equipped with quick-release couplings of 1/8 inch. Hydraulic power pack with a tank capacity of 60 liter is tested for 120 bar. Pressure and tank manifolds are provided on both sides of the training kit with quick-release coupling. Control module is mounted at the top of a training kit. User can have a control module of PLC and relays on both sides of the training kit, which makes it truly a double-sided training kit. Electrohydraulic Training Kit can be seamlessly integrated with industrial automation modules such as hydraulic excavator and hydraulic press.